Welcome to my Mynimo tutorial. This is your employer's panel tour. To access your employer's panel, click the login button and select employers. Enter your credentials and click login. When you open your company's employer panel, you can see 8 tabs: local ads, overseas ads, resumes, credits, company information, account, contact us, and applicants section. Now, let's take a look at the local ads tab. Here, you can view the job ads you posted locally. You can also filter the job postings according to their status: active, completed, pending, and saved. Under the Overseas Ads tab, you can view the job ads you posted outside the Philippines. Under the Resumes tab, you can find applicants' resumes per job category and send invites to applicants. The Credits tab shows the total number of credits left, credit expiry, and credit usage history. Under the Company Information tab, you can view and edit your company information. On the Account tab, you can view the list of sub-users, add or remove sub-users, and view each user's activity logs. You also have the Contact Us tab, wherein you can send your inquiries to us. Then, you will see the Applicants section, where you can view all the active job ads posted by different companies. Thank you for watching my Mynimo tutorial.